In order to build a successful email marketing campaign within Boingnet, the first step is to create an engaging email template. As more people are checking their emails on mobile devices, it's becoming increasingly important that the emails you send are responsive, meaning that they are easy to view on any device. Let me show you what I mean by responsive. A template that's not responsive will display fine on a desktop, but will be very truncated on a phone. However, a template that is responsive looks great, whether it's displayed on a desktop, a tablet, or a phone. Boignet's email template editor builds responsive emails that are web, tablet, and mobile friendly in just one simple step. Our editor's new design features let you easily customize your content for different segments of your audience, as well as modify your templates and designs with more creativity and freedom than ever before. In this video, I'll show you the 3 simple steps to creating an engaging email template, including how to choose your email layout. Next, I'll show you how to use the template editor to build the content of your email, including inserting responsive template blocks and inserting customized link buttons. Finally, I'll show you how to use variable data and logic to personalize your email message. To begin creating your email template, go to the main navigation bar and click on Build, and then select Templates. Click on Create New Template, and then underneath Email Templates, select Create with Template Builder. This page allows you to define the layout for your email. On the left side of the page are several options for choosing a header, 1 to 5 modules for the body of your email, and a footer. The right side of the page displays what your email will look like based on the options you've chosen. You can preview what your email will look like on a desktop, a tablet, and a mobile phone by clicking the various icons next to Preview Template. Once you're sure that you like the layout of your email, you can click Start Editing to begin working in the editor and designing the creative components of your email. Once you're in the editor, you'll notice that there are 2 sidebars. The sidebar on the right side of the page is the Help sidebar, and it provides easy access to relevant articles that you can reference while you're in the editor. For example, if you'd like to insert an image into your template but you don't remember how, you can click on the link, and a window will open up with the video and the help article for you. When you're done, just click on the X. The sidebar on the left side of the page is the template sidebar, and it provides easy access for you to add template blocks, link buttons, and insert variable data and variable logic. And we'll talk more about those in a minute. It's also where you define a name for your template. You'll want to do that right when you begin editing. Otherwise, your template will be saved with a generic date and time stamp. When you click on an area of the template that you'd like to edit, you'll notice that a standard toolbar appears where you can cut, copy, paste, define the font, size, and color of your text. You can insert images and links from here, and you can also reveal the template's source by clicking on this Source button. This allows you to make changes directly to the template's HTML. Just remember to click the green OK button at the bottom of the box when you're done with your changes. Let's take a look at our template. You'll notice that our template reflects the email layout we chose on the previous page, with a header, 5 modules for the body of the email, and a footer. One of Boignet's new features allows you to make changes to the modules or template blocks from within the editor using these icons on the upper left corner. To move a module, click on the arrow icon and drag the module to its desired position. To resize a module, click on the next icon and drag the lower right-hand corner until you get the desired dimensions for your module. To change the background color of a module, click on this last icon, select a color for your module, and then a shade. To delete a module, click on this trash icon. If you'd like to add a new template block or module, you can do that from the template sidebar. Click on Template Blocks, select a color and a shade, and then select the number of columns for your template block. Once your template block has been inserted, you can perform the same functions we just reviewed. You can delete the sample text and add your own text easily to any module on your template. Place the cursor where you'd like your text to go. Choose a font and a size and a text color, and begin typing. There are many ways to insert images into your Boingnet templates. As a matter of fact, there's a help article on inserting an image if you'd like more information on the topic. I'm going to walk you through the easiest and most straightforward method, and it involves using the Asset Manager. Once you've uploaded the images you're going to use in your template to your Asset Manager, the process is simple and works as follows. Make sure your cursor is located where you'd like your image to go, and click on the image icon on your toolbar. An Image Properties box will open up. Click on Browse Server to navigate to your Asset Manager. Find the image that you'd like to insert and double-click on it. You can look at a preview of your image in this box. It's a good idea to assign a name to your image and enter it in this alternative text area. It's just one of those little details that makes your email look complete and will make it less likely to be seen as spam by the email service providers. Once you're done, click the green OK button. One of Boingnet's new features allows you to build beautiful customized link buttons. To do that, go to the template sidebar and click on Link Buttons. In the first box, enter the text for your button. In the second box, add the URL you'd like to link to. Studies have shown that your call to action and link buttons are the most effective when they're a bright color that contrasts with the rest of your template. Since my background is blue, I'm going to build an orange button. Boingnet asks you to choose a start and an end color and a shadow color because it builds a beautiful shaded button. To begin, in the first box, select your first color and shade. And repeat the process in the second box, just going a little bit darker. Finally, select a shadow color. In the next box, select a text color. I'm going to stay with white. And then a text style. I'm going to choose bold. Finally, select a text size, a button height, and a button width. Notice that you get a nice preview of what your button is going to look like. When you're satisfied that your button looks good, click Insert Button. And that's how you insert a beautiful customized link button into your template. Let's talk about inserting variable data and logic into your template. Here's where you can take your base template and modify the content to speak directly to different segments of your audience. Statistics show that when you provide relevant content to your audiences, you'll drive higher engagement, click-throughs, sales, and leads during your campaign. And Boingnet makes it easy to do. To begin, place your cursor where you'd like your variable data to appear. I'm going to include a greeting line right beneath my logo that reads hello and then the first name of my contact. To insert the first name, go to Variable Data Inserts and click on First Name. You can adjust the size and the font of your first name so that it matches the rest of the sentence. So now when my email is created, it will say hello, and it will pull in the first name off of the contact list I'm using for the email campaign. Inserting variable logic into your template is easy as well. For example, if you'd like to display a certain message, but only for contacts whose state is Massachusetts, you can do that using variable logic. To begin, position your cursor where you want your statement to go, and from your template sidebar, select Variable Logic. In the first box, select your data element, in this case, state. In the second box, select the operator for your if statement. I'm going to leave this set as equals. In the third box, enter the value for your data element, in this case, Massachusetts. In the last box, enter the content you want displayed when the if statement's true. And then click the Insert button. You'll notice that the whole if statement appears in your template, but once you've created an email campaign, only the content will display on your emails, and only for those contacts whose state equals Massachusetts. We've just walked through the 3 easy steps to creating engaging email templates in Boingnet. As you can see, the email template editor includes great responsive design and content marketing elements that will make your Boingnet campaigns relevant, personalized, and mobile-friendly. If you have any questions about the email template editor, give us a call or email us at support@boingnet.com. If you haven't already signed up for your 60-day free trial, register today at boingnet.com/free trial.